How did I go from this to this? First, my life fell apart. Suddenly, I booked my trip to Tuscany. Where? Well, in the only place where I could find myself again with no one around. 3 weeks cycling in the Tuscany that no one knows. At first I thought it was madness. Then one pedal stroke after another, I discovered it was possible to enjoy wonderful and unknown places by myself, and I thought I'd never make it. Only to discover that the most beautiful journeys are never really made alone. I met authentic people who share the same desire for discovery. There I understood that sharing makes everything more real. For the first time in months, I found the real me. What if the version of you that you're looking for is just a click away? The new Tuscany, the new you.